Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about health benefits of rosemary. Many people recognize this herb because of its taste and smell, however, its benefits are also many and recognizable. 1. Cognitive stimulant. Rosemary has a beneficial impact when it comes to boosting human memory. The plant also makes people more alert, intelligent, and focused in anything they do. 2. Mood improvement. When people encounter stress and anxiety, this herb solves their problem as its aroma relaxes their minds and hormone imbalances relating to stress. 3. It contains antioxidants. Do you know that rosemary can help to prevent inflammation? Well, that is true, and this relies on its antioxidant components. 4. Promoting hair growth. The plant is also useful in enhancement of hair growth. People with dry scalp and loss of hair should rely on this herb to encourage growth of hair. 5. Digestion problem solver. Rosemary is a plant that can help counter heartburn, loss of appetite, gases, and other digestive problems people may encounter. 6. Antibiotic benefits. The herb is also beneficial in countering infections relating to various bacteria because of its components that prevent infections by organisms like the Staphylococcus. 7. Skin protection. The components of rosemary protect the skin from any cell damage, and this helps counter issues arising from exposure to sunlight. Thank you for watching, and please remember that intake of rosemary should involve small amount because more large doses may result in effects like vomiting. Please subscribe for subsequent videos.